Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and in this video, we're going to show you how to change a Google Ads URL so that your ad can send people to a new destination. This step-by-step tutorial is important, particularly if you are wanting to optimize, test, or improve your Google Ads. In order to get started with that, we just need to be logged into the home page of Google Ads. From there, we want to scroll down until we find the campaign that we want to change. And once we have identified, we want to hover our mouse over the title of the campaign and click on it. This is now going to take us through to the ad group, and we can either click on the ad group name or we can go to the left-hand menu bar and click on Ads. Once the ads have loaded up, we want to scroll down and we want to move our mouse to just to the right of the ads until we can see a pencil button with the edit. And once we can see that, let's click on it. From here, we can now see that we have the opportunity to change the final URL which people are sent to. So in this example, we have currently got them going to our landing page, and if we want to change it out, we need to highlight it and we need to click on the delete button until it disappears. Now, once this has been completed, we can copy in the website URL that we want people to be sent to now. It's very important to remember, though, the difference between the final URL, which is where people actually go, versus the display URL. The display URL is the URL which people see when looking at your particular ad. So remember that, and once you have completed this change, we can scroll down to the bottom and we can click on Save Ad. And once that has been completed, you will now have a URL that is sending people to a new place on the Google Ads, and that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button down below. Consider subscribing for more Google Ads beginner tutorials just like this one. Have a fantastic day, everybody.